The sailors of the Vada Bering, which is moored in the port of Kolmsk in southern Sakhalin, launched all the patrols on the deck. Strange images of hundreds of birds appeared, mysteriously resting on the deck of a ship and refusing to take off. The crew of the Vada Bering vessel recently encountered an incident when they moored in the city of southern Sakhalinsk, located in the extreme eastern part of the Russian region of the Sakhalin region, April 28, 2020. Hundreds of dark gray seabirds, known as petrels, have been spotted who have gathered on deck and have struggled to move on the ground. Thanks to everyone for subscribe for Earth is our home.